Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Creating an animated progress bar in Figma, a detailed tutorial with code examples. This tutorial will guide you through creating a visually appealing and functional animated progress bar in Figma. We'll cover designing the bar, adding interactive elements, and finally, providing code examples, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, to bring your design to life on a real website. Part 1. Designing the progress bar in Figma. 1. Setting up the frame ****. Create a new Figma file ***. Start with a blank canvas in Figma. ***. Choose a frame size ***. Determine the desired width and height for your progress bar. A common size is 300 px wide and 20 px high, but feel free to adjust based on your design preferences. Create a frame in Figma using the Frame tool, shortcut, F. Rename the frame to something descriptive, like progress bar container. 2. Creating the background ****. Rectangle shape ***. Inside the progress bar container, create a rectangle that fills the entire frame. This will be the background of the progress bar. **color ***. Choose a background color. A light gray or a muted color generally works well. In the Fill panel, select a color like E0 E0 E0. **rounded corners, optional. Give the background rounded corners for a softer look. In the corner radius settings, add a value like 5 px. This is subjective, so adjust to your liking. 3. Creating the progress indicator ****. Rectangle shape ***. Create another rectangle inside the progress bar container. This rectangle will represent the progress. Placement ***. Position this rectangle at the left edge of the background rectangle. The initial width should be 0 px, effectively making it invisible to start. **color ***. Choose a progress color. A vibrant, contrasting color usually works well. Examples include blues, greens, or oranges. In the Fill panel, select a color like 4CAF50. **rounded corners, optional. Match the rounded corners of the background if desired, or use a different radius for visual interest. **name ***. Rename this rectangle to something descriptive, like progress bar indicator. 4. Adding a text label, optional. **text tool **. Use the text tool, shortcut, T, to add a text label for displaying the percentage or progress value. Position and style **. Place the text label inside the progress bar container, either above, below, or within the progress bar itself. Adjust the font size, color, and alignment for readability. Placeholder text **. Set the initial text to 0%. Name **. Rename the text layer to something descriptive, like progress text. 5. Auto layout for flexibility, optional but recommended. Select the progress bar container *. Click on the progress bar container in the Layers panel. Enable auto layout *. In the right panel, click the plus button next to auto layout. Auto layout properties direction horizontal or vertical depending on how you want your elements to be aligned in the future. Spacing between items can set spacing between elements. Padding padding to give space to content around edges. 6. Prototyping, for previewing interactions within Figma, not directly affecting code. While we won't be directly prototyping for animations in Figma, we'll handle that with code. You could create different states of the progress bar by duplicating the progress bar container and adjusting the width of the progress bar indicator and the text in progress text. You could then link these states together with the prototype tab, triggering a transition based on a specific interaction, like a delay trigger. This gives you a visual preview of the animation but doesn't translate directly to code. Part 2, Code Implementation, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Now, let's translate the Figma design into a functional animated progress bar using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. 1. HTML structure, index.html. Asterisk progress bar container asterisk the main container that corresponds to your Figma progress bar container. Asterisk progress bar background asterisk the background of the progress bar, corresponding to the background rectangle in Figma. Asterisk progress bar indicator asterisk the progress bar itself, corresponding to the progress bar indicator in Figma. Asterisk progress text asterisk the text label, corresponding to the progress text in Figma. Asterisk linking CSS and JavaScript asterisk the link tag includes the CSS style sheet, and the script tag includes the JavaScript file. 2. CSS styling, style.css. Asterisk basic styling asterisk sets up a basic layout with a center-aligned progress bar. Asterisk container styling asterisk applies the dimensions and margins to the progress bar container. This ensures the bar has the correct width and spacing around it. Asterisk background styling asterisk applies the background color, height, and rounded corners to the progress bar background. Overflow, hidden is crucial to prevent the indicator from overflowing the background when it's animated. Position, relative is important for correctly positioning the text label. Asterisk indicator styling asterisk applies the progress color, height, initial width, 0%, rounded corners, and the transition property. The transition property is the key to the animation. Width 0.5 SEs means that the width of the indicator will change over 0.5 seconds using an ease timing function, which provides a smooth start and end to the animation. Asterisk text styling asterisk positions the text label in the center of the progress bar, using position, absolute and transform, translate, -50%, -50%. 3. JavaScript logic, script.js. Asterisk selecting elements asterisk the code selects the progress bar indicator and progress text elements from the HTML. Asterisk update progress, percentage, function asterisk this function is the core of the progress bar update. It takes a percentage as input and updates the width of the progress bar indicator and the text content of the progress text to reflect that percentage. Asterisk progress simulation asterisk the set interval function simulates the progress incrementing over time. Asterisk it increases current progress by 5 every 100 milliseconds. Asterisk if current progress exceeds 100, it clears the interval, stops the animation, and sets current progress to 100 to ensure it doesn't go over. Asterisk it calls update progress, to update the visual representation of the progress bar. Part 3, bringing it all together and enhancements. 1. Place files asterisk asterisk make sure your index.html, style.css, and script.js files are in the same directory. 2. Open in browser asterisk asterisk open index.html in your web browser. You should see the progress bar animate from 0% to 100%. 3. Making it dynamic, real data. The simulated progress is fine for demonstration, but you'll likely want to link it to real data. Here are a few scenarios and how you might adapt the JavaScript. Asterisk loading a file asterisk if you're loading a large file, example an image or video, you can use the XML HTTP request object or the fetch API to track the progress. The XML HTTP request.onProgress event provides information about the bytes loaded and the total bytes, which you can use to calculate the percentage. Asterisk server-side progress asterisk if your progress is determined by a server-side process, you'll need to use techniques like asterisk polling asterisk regularly send requests to the server to check the status of the process. Asterisk WebSockets asterisk establish a persistent connection with the server to receive real-time updates. Asterisk server sent events, SSE receive updates from the server as they become available. 4. Customization and enhancements asterisk asterisk. Asterisk more complex animations asterisk you can use CSS animations or JavaScript animation libraries, like GreenSock Animation Platform, GSAP, to create more intricate and visually appealing progress bar animations. Asterisk different shapes asterisk experiment with different shapes for the progress bar indicator, example circles, triangles, or custom SVG paths. Asterisk colors and themes asterisk implement different color schemes or themes based on the progress state, example changing the color to red when the progress reaches 90%. Asterisk accessibility asterisk ensure your progress bar is accessible to users with disabilities by providing alternative text descriptions, using ARIA attributes, and ensuring sufficient color contrast. Asterisk reverse progress bar asterisk change the direction by setting right 0, and changing left to right in the transform and setting direction RTL, to flip the container. Example of using GSAP for more advanced animation asterisk. First, include GSAP in your HTML. Then, modify your JavaScript. This GSAP example provides more control over the animation duration, easing, and text updating, resulting in a smoother and more visually appealing effect. GSAP offers many more options for customization. By following these steps and experimenting with different styles and animations, you can create a compelling and informative animated progress bar that enhances the user experience on your website. Remember to consider the context in which the progress bar will be used and tailor the design and functionality accordingly. Good luck! Creating an animated progress bar in Figma with code export for developers. This tutorial will guide you through creating a dynamic and visually appealing animated progress bar in Figma. We'll cover 1. Designing the static progress bar components. 2. Creating the animation using Figma's Smart Animate feature. 3. Preparing the design for handoff to developers. 4. Discussing relevant code snippets for implementing the animation in different frameworks/languages, example React, HTML/CSS/JS. Why this approach? Asterisk improved communication asterisk clear visual representation of a progress bar enhances the user experience. Figma allows you to design and animate this element, demonstrating its behavior effectively. Asterisk developer friendly asterisk Figma provides specifications, code snippets, and assets to aid developers in implementing the design. Asterisk iterative design asterisk easily modify the design and animation within Figma without needing to constantly rebuild code. Let's begin. Designing the static components asterisk. 1. Frame setup asterisk. Asterisk create a new frame in Figma. Name it, for example, progress bar container. Define the dimensions based on your needs, example 300 px width, 20 px height. Asterisk set a background color for the frame, example a light gray F0 F0 F0. This represents the container of the progress bar. Make sure clip content is checked. 2. Background track asterisk. Asterisk inside the progress bar container, draw a rectangle using the rectangle tool. Asterisk make it the same dimensions as the parent frame, 300 px x 20 px in our example. Asterisk set the color to a lighter shade of the background or a complementary color, example E0 E0 E0. This will be the track of the progress bar. Asterisk set the position as absolute to make it easy to drag it around. Asterisk rename this rectangle background track. 3 progress bar fill asterisk. Asterisk draw another rectangle inside the progress bar container. This will represent the filled portion of the progress bar. Asterisk set its initial width to 0px, representing 0% progress. This is crucial for the animation later. The height should be the same as the background track, 20px. Asterisk choose a visually distinct color for the fill, example a vibrant blue 3498 dB. Asterisk rename this rectangle progress fill. Asterisk constrain it to the left and the top of its container using left and top constraints. This ensures the fill starts from the left edge as it grows. Asterisk important, make sure the progress fill layer is above the background track layer in the layers panel. For text label, optional. Asterisk add a text layer to display the progress percentage, example 0%. Asterisk position it either inside the progress fill or outside, depending on your design. Asterisk style the text as desired, font, size, color. Asterisk rename this text layer progress percentage. Asterisk if you're placing the percentage inside the progress fill bar, make sure it's aligned to the right so it won't be cut off during the animation. Also, adjust its color to make it visible on top of the fill color, example white. 5 rounded corners, optional but recommended. Asterisk select both background track and progress fill rectangles. Asterisk in the properties panel, on the right, adjust the corner radius to give them rounded corners. A value of 10px is a good starting point, adjust it to your liking. This makes the progress bar look smoother. 2. Creating the animation, Smart Animate. 1. Creating variants asterisk. Asterisk select the progress bar container frame. Asterisk click on the component icon in the toolbar, or press CMD/Ctrl+Alt+K. This turns the frame into a component. Asterisk in the properties panel, on the right, under variants, click the plus button to add a new variant. Asterisk repeat this to create a total of 3 variants, for 0%, 50%, and 100% progress. Adjust as needed. More variants will give you finer control over the animation but will also be more work. 3 is a good balance. 2. Modifying the variants asterisk. Asterisk variant 1, 0%. This is your initial design. The progress fill should have a width of 0px. The progress percentage should display 0%. Asterisk variant 2, 50%. Select the progress fill rectangle within this variant. Change its width to 50% of the total width of the container, example 150px if the container is 300px. Update the progress percentage to display 50%. Asterisk variant 3, 100%. Select the progress fill rectangle within this variant. Change its width to 100% of the total width, example 300px. Update the progress percentage to display 100%. Make sure the fill's right corner touches the container's right corner. 3. Connecting the variants, prototyping. Asterisk switch to the prototype tab in the Figma panel, top right. Asterisk select variant 1, 0%, and drag the small circle that appears on its right edge to variant 2, 50%. This creates a connection. Asterisk in the interaction details panel, configure the interaction as follows. Asterisk trigger asterisk after delay, this will make the animation run automatically. Asterisk delay asterisk set a delay of 1 ms, effectively making it run as soon as possible. You can adjust this delay if you want a pause before the animation starts. Asterisk action asterisk change to, This ensures the bar changes from one value to another smoothly. Asterisk destination asterisk select variant 2. Asterisk animation asterisk smart animate. This is the key to smooth transitions. Asterisk easing asterisk ease out or ease in and out. Try different options to see what you prefer. These options control the acceleration and deceleration of the animation. Asterisk duration asterisk set the duration of the animation, example 1000 milliseconds or 1 second. Adjust this to control the speed of the progress bar. Asterisk repeat the process to connect variant 2, 50%, to variant 3, 100%. Use the same settings for the interaction. After delay, change to smart animate, easing, duration. For testing the animation asterisk. Asterisk select the progress bar container component. Asterisk press the present button, top right, to open the prototype in presentation mode. Asterisk you should see the progress bar animate from 0% to 50% to 100%. If it's not animating, double check your prototype connections and animation settings. 3. Preparing for handoff to developers asterisk asterisk. 1. Documentation asterisk. Asterisk add comments to the Figma file explaining the intended behavior of the progress bar. For example, asterisk this component represents a progress bar. Asterisk the animation should run automatically when the component is loaded. Asterisk the progress fill rectangles width controls the progress percentage. Asterisk specify what the units of measure are, if any. Asterisk create a separate page in your Figma file with clear instructions and specifications. This should include asterisk the component's name, progress bar container. Asterisk the dimensions of the progress bar, width and height. Asterisk the colors used, in hexadecimal format. Asterisk the font used for the percentage label. Asterisk the duration and easing of the animation. 2. Inspect panel asterisk. Asterisk Figma's inspect panel provides code snippets for different platforms, iOS, Android, web. Asterisk select the progress fill rectangle in the 100% variant. In the inspect panel, on the right, you'll see CSS properties like width, height, background color, and border radius. This information is helpful for developers when implementing the design in code. Asterisk while Figma doesn't automatically generate animated code, the CSS properties of the final state, 100%, and the animation specifications, duration, easing, from the prototype tab provide a good starting point. 3. Exporting assets asterisk. Asterisk if you're using custom icons or other assets, you can export them directly from Figma in various formats, SVG, PNG, JPG. 4. Code examples, illustrative, adapt to your specific needs. The following code examples are illustrations to give you a general idea of how to implement the progress bar animation. The specific code will depend on your chosen framework, library, and coding style. These examples use CSS transitions or animations for a simple implementation. HTML/CSS/JavaScript, basic. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk progress container, defines the overall container. Overflow, hidden is crucial to clip the progress fill so it appears to grow within the container. Asterisk progress fill, this is the actual progress bar. The transition, width one's ease out, property creates the smooth animation. The width is initially set to 0%, and JavaScript will update it to animate the bar. Asterisk JavaScript, the JavaScript code dynamically updates the width of the progress fill element using set interval. Progress text is also updated to reflect the percentage. React, using state and CSS transitions. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk uses state, manages the progress state, which determines the width of the progress bar. Asterisk use effect, sets up an interval to update the progress state every few milliseconds. The cleanup function, clear interval, prevents memory leaks. Asterisk CSS, similar to the HTML/CSS example, the transition property animates the width change. Asterisk the component accepts initial progress and duration props. Key considerations for developers asterisk. Asterisk dynamic progress asterisk in a real application, the progress value will likely come from an external source, example an API, a calculation. Update the progress state based on that external source. Asterisk error handling asterisk consider adding error handling, example what happens if the API fails to return progress data. Asterisk accessibility asterisk add ARIA attributes to make the progress bar accessible to users with disabilities. For example, ARIA value now, ARIA value min, ARIA value max. Asterisk performance asterisk for complex animations or frequent updates, consider using request animation frame instead of set interval for better performance. Use memoization where appropriate in React. Advanced techniques, beyond the basics. Asterisk using CSS animations asterisk instead of CSS transitions, you can use CSS at keyframes to define more complex animations. This gives you finer control over the animation timeline. Asterisk SVG animations asterisk for more intricate designs, consider using SVG, scalable vector graphics, and animating its properties with CSS or JavaScript. SVG offers more flexibility for creating custom shapes and animations. Asterisk libraries asterisk explore animation libraries like GreenSock Animation Platform, GSAP, or anime.js for advanced animation features. Conclusion asterisk. This tutorial provides a comprehensive guide to creating an animated progress bar in Figma and preparing it for developer handoff. Remember to adapt the code examples to your specific project requirements and explore advanced techniques for more sophisticated animations. By combining Figma's design capabilities with developer-friendly code, you can create a polished and informative user experience.